In this video, I'm going to show you an easy and fast way to find and download royalty-free featured images for your blog posts, without ever leaving your website. Log into your WordPress website dashboard and go to Plugins, then click on Add New. Now click on the search field and write Featured Image Generator and click Enter. The plugin should be the first one you see, but to double check, you can always verify that the plugin have been developed by Designal Code. Click on Install Now, and activate the plugin. Now open the blog post that you need a featured image on. Once you are editing your blog post, go to the Options tabs on the right side of the blog post, and look for the tab called Fig. And click on the Featured Image Generator link. In the Featured Image Generator window, click the search field and write in what kind of image you're looking for. Then click Search Photos. When you find the perfect image for your blog post, just click on the image to choose it. Now you have the option to choose the size of the image before you download it to your website. You also have the option to write a caption that is put on the image. Once you are satisfied with your image, click on the Save to Media button to save and download the image to your website. Now, scroll back up to the Featured Image tab and click to choose your featured image. It should be the first image you see. Choose the image and click on the Set Featured Image button. Then click Update to save your blog post. If you go back to your blog archive, you can now see that the image you downloaded has been set as the featured image for your blog post. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you clicked on the like button. It really does help me to be able to make more videos like this.